Hello guys, how you doing today? So today I have 2016 Acura MDX. So when I put like my AC on, and it's pretty much like a smell. So what you have to do, you're gonna check your cabin air filter, or you could say like a micro filter, and check it to make sure like your micro filter is not contaminated or it's not like it's dirty. And you have this treatment from Valvoline. I don't know if I could find a link. I could put it down for you. It's really good, guys. So you could gonna clean micro filter together and to treat the AC, and the smell gonna be like a go away. So to get to the micro filter, what you're gonna have to do, you have to go to the right front passenger seat. Okay, when you get to the right front passenger seat, you have to go to glove box. You open the glove box. Once you open the glove box, and you're gonna go down there, see this little cover, got two tags, one tag in the left, one in the right. You have to pull this tag and you take this cover off. Once you take this cover off, and there's the little cover right there, and you got two tags, one here and another one right here, and this at the other side. You're gonna pull them together, you press on them right now together, and so that you could pretty much like remove this cover. Okay, once you pressing them to remove this cover, just make sure you look at the way this thing is and you remove it. Once you remove it, your cabin air filter is right there. You could see I remove this one. You see dirt from it. See this? All that like it get the debris from the outside of the car, and you could see how this thing is dirty. See, it's either you could clean it in the air shop or you have to replace it. So I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna use the AC treatment. So the AC treatment is right here. See, all seasons from Valvoline. It's pretty good. So pretty much I'm gonna spray the inside a little bit. Don't spray too much in it, because you're gonna pretty much spray from the micro filter. So guys, the same way you see the arrow is facing down, that's the way the airflow. The micro filter also has an arrow in it, it's facing down. What you're gonna have to do, you're gonna spray the micro filter. You just spray AC. Even though you clean the micro filter or you have to replace it, you spray it on both sides, up and down. Once you finish to spray it, you could go back there, spray it again, and after that you're gonna have to install your micro filter. Remember, this face is facing down, and it's gonna be locked on both sides, and you put your car cover back. So you're gonna start the car, put the AC on blast on, because you don't want to stay in the car when you finish to spray this thing. It's like a chemical. You need to let the car run for about 30 minutes with nobody inside the car, so that the chemical could like be evaporated. After that, you will be able to get inside the car. You put the AC on. You could put the AC low, or you could go inside, turn everything on, then this one on, and now we need to lower the window down and let the car running, so that I could get the chemical out, because like I know the smell is not good for you. After about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, like I let the car running. 30 minutes should be okay, 15-30 minutes. and then like you're good to go. When you put the AC on, every time you're gonna smell like a different smell, fresh inside your car. Thank you guys. We'll see you for another video.